You drive a Ford Bronco to get outside. That's why we built it, to let the outside in, with a removable hardtop option and all the tools you'll need to remove it. First, you'll need to remove the roof rack if you have one. Get started by removing the front roof rack cover screws with the T30 hex tool. Then, remove the covers by pulling upward and rotating toward the front of the Bronco. Next, remove the front roof rack nuts with the 10mm hex socket tool. And then at the back, use your Bronco key to remove the cover to access the rear fastener. Loosen the rear fastener with the special triangular bolt tool. Then, with some help, lift the rack up and off. Your Bronco comes with 2 windshield trim covers that you'll find in your glove box. Place the plate over the roof rack mounting points and secure the fasteners in place with a 10mm hex socket tool. Then, attach the cover and snap it into place, and do the same for the other side. Now, let's remove the hardtop. First, you'll need to remove the front roof panels. Be sure to start with the driver's side. Fold the sun visors down. Unlatch the driver's side header panel at the top of the windshield. Then unlock the 3 L-shaped locks on the driver's side front roof panel by turning them, and remove the driver's side front roof panel. Repeat the steps to remove the passenger side front roof panel. The storage bag helps you protect the panels. The front panels share a storage bag. Make sure the panels are clean, then flip the divider inside the bag out of the way. Place the first panel in the bag. Add the divider, then place the second one in and zip it closed. Then, slide the bag into the cargo area standing straight up. Now to secure it, wrap the upper roof bag strap around the rear seat headrest snugly, without crushing the head restraint. Hook the lower bag hooks to the forward cargo rings. If you have a slide-out tailgate or other accessories, you may have to store your panels horizontally. To do this, lay the bag down in the cargo area and install the loops through the 2 D-rings and secure the panels. After removing the fronts, you can start on the center panel by unlatching the driver and passenger side here, then unlocking the 3 L-shaped locks. Then remove the center panel with a friend's help and store it in a secure place. There's one more thing you have to remove: the rear panel. To do that, open the tailgate and lift open the tailgate window. Locate the wire harness and washer hose inside the cargo area on the rear driver's side. Now, disconnect the wiring harness by pushing the tab to release and pulling down. Do the same with the hose connector and secure both by plugging them into their spots inside the Bronco. Next, open the rear doors. Then, remove the 2 screws that secure the rear roof panel at the C-pillar using the T50 Torx Plus. Now unscrew the 4 bolts on each side at the base of the rear roof panel. With the tailgate window still open and a friend's help, lift the rear roof panel straight up. Once the locating pins are completely out, just lift the roof off. Place the panel on a soft surface and store it with the tailgate window open to prevent damage.